Hello friends, my name is Ambika Mirzamle, pursuing MSc first year in chemistry from RLT College. I prepared a seminar and the topic of my seminar is aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Let us see the introduction of this seminar. Here is a definition of the reaction. An organic reaction in which an atom that is attached to an aromatic ring is replaced by an electrophile is called as aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. In this seminar, we will further discuss some reactions. Our first reaction is Gattermann-Koch reaction, second is Reymel-Tayman reaction, and third one is diazoxime coupling reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. Here is the discovery of reaction in 1897. L. Gattermann and J. A. Koch successfully discovered Gattermann-Koch reaction. Definition of this reaction: the reaction in which certain aromatic compounds can be formulated with the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in presence of aluminum trichloride to give benzaldehyde is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. Here is the reaction. You can see here is a benzene ring in presence of COHCl anhydrous AlCl3, which act as catalyst and also called as Lewis acid, forms benzaldehyde. Let us see the mechanism of Gattermann-Koch reaction in first step. Here is the Lewis dot structure of carbon monoxide react with hydrochloric acid. As we know, chlorine is highly electronegative. It will attract electrons and become partial negative charge ion. H acquires partial positive charge and will form the bond with carbon of carbon monoxide. Next, the oxygen will attract two electrons and the carbon acquires partial positive charge. Carbon needs electrons, so chlorine negative ion will donate electrons to carbon. And next, here is the formation of formyl chloride. Further, the reaction proceed in second step. Formyl chloride react with aluminum trichloride, that is AlCl3. As we know, aluminium present in AlCl3 has incomplete octet, so here aluminium needs electrons. Chlorine is highly electronegative. It will attract electrons and will form the bond with AlCl3 to form AlCl for negative ion, and the carbon acquires partial positive charge, and here is the formation of electrophile. In third step, as we know, benzene ring has loosely bonded pi electrons. Electrophile needs electron. Pi bond in ring will break and donate electrons to electrophile. Next, the electrophile will attach to ring at ortho position. Carbon at ortho position is fulfilled by forming 4 bonds, but here the carbon form only 3 bonds, 2 with carbon present in benzene ring and 1 with hydrogen, so acquire partial positive charge. The hydrogen atom at ortho position will donate electrons to ring to maintain its aromaticity, and the hydrogen ion will link up with one of the chlorine from AlCl for negative ion and remove as HCl. Here is also the removal of AlCl3. Then next, the benzene ring retain its aromaticity, and here is the formation of product, that is benzaldehyde. Let us see the mechanism. There are some uses of benzaldehyde. You can see here. The first use is to in manufacturing dyes. Second is in manufacturing of cinnamic acid. It is also used in the manufacturing of some other organic compound. Fourth use is it is used as bee repellent. Fifth is used as almond flavor to gives almond flavor to foods and scented products. And sixth, it is also used in pharmaceuticals products. Next year is the Reymel-Tayman reaction. The discovery of this reaction in 1876, K. Raymer and F. Tayman discovered that the treatment of phenol with chloroform in 10% NaOH solution due to the formation of corresponding orthohydroxybenzaldehyde as a major product. You can see here the images of two scientists. Definition: when phenol reacts with chloroform in the presence of bases, that is NaOH or KOH, an aldehyde CHO group gets introduced in the ring at position ortho to the phenolic group and salicylaldehyde is formed. This reaction is called as Reymel-Tayman reaction. You can see here the reaction where is a phenol here present, chloroform in presence of chloroform, NaOH or KOH. Here is also process of acidification. Phenol, as we know, OH is phenol in phenol. is ortho and para directing group and form the product with ortho and para position, but the product with ortho position is formed as major product as there is intramolecular hydrogen bond between partial oxygen of OH and H positive ion of present in CHO. Next, here is let us see the mechanism of Raymond-Taman reaction. In first step, chloroform react with OH negative ions provided by the basic medium, that is NaOH. Due to high electronegativity, chlorine attracts electron, so the carbon acquires negative partial negative charge and hydrogen converts into a H positive ion, link up with OH negative ions and remove as H2O. Next, again one of the chlorine atom from three chlorine atoms will attract two electrons and remove as chlorine negative ions. Next, here is a formation of intermediate, that is dichlorocarbon. In second step, later phenol reacts with OH negative ions from the basic medium. Here, oxygen from OH will attract electrons and removal of H2O takes place. Next, phenoxide ion will form. Here, resonance will occur. As we know, charge shift as bond and bond shift as charge. Next, formation of highly unstable intermediate compound occurs. Intermediate requires electrons which donated by ring. Intermediate compound acquires partial negative charge as gain electrons from ring. Next, hydrogen atom present at ortho position is very acidic, will donate electrons to ring to maintain the aromaticity of ring by formation of pi bond, and hydrogen will form bond with carbon partial negative charge. Oxygen attract electrons and acquire partial negative charge. Next, the compound react with OH negative ions provided by basic medium, that is NaOH. Chlorine atom will attract electrons and remove from carbon and form bond with sodium from NaOH and remove as NaCl. Next, OH from NaOH will attach to carbon in the place of chlorine atoms, and here is a removal of H2O, and also the formation of pi bond takes place between carbon and oxygen. In next step, acidification will occur which provide H positive ions. The H positive ions will attach to oxygen, and here is the formation of product, that is salicylaldehyde. Let us see. Here are some uses of salicylaldehyde. First is it is used in the production of coumarin, salicylanin and salicyldoxime. These are an important analytical reagent. Second used, it is used in analytical chemistry, for example to detect hydroxin. Third, salicylaldehyde is a key precursor to various chelating agents and flavoring ingredients. Next, here is a diazonium coupling reaction, our third reaction. Discovery. The reaction was first reported by Peter Gries in 1858, who subsequently discovered several reactions of this new class of compounds. You can see here the image of the scientist. Definition. The reaction of diazonium salt with phenols and aromatic amines to form azo compounds of general formula AR double bond N, AR bond N double bond N bond AR is known as diazonium coupling reaction. You can see here is a reaction. Phenol react with benzene diazonium chloride. Here C bond N form when hydrogen atom removed from para position. Resonance will occur between two benzene rings between the pi electrons and will move, results in color, that is orange color or yellow color. For preparation of dyes, we have to maintain basic medium and a pH of solution is 9 to 10. Mechanism of diazonium coupling reaction. In first step, phenol react with OH negative ions which is present and provided by basic medium. Oxygen in phenol attracts electron, and here is a removal of H2O. Next, phenoxide ion will form. Here, resonance will occur. As we know, charge shift as bond and bond shift as charge. Next, the electronegativity of carbon is less than oxygen and will donate electron to nitrogen of benzene diazonium chloride. Pi bond will break and chlorine negative ion will remove and settle in the solution. Here is the formation of C double bond and that is the formation of double bond between carbon and nitrogen. In second step, hydrogen of carbon at para position will donate electrons to ring to maintain its aromaticity. Hydrogen remove as H positive ion. Chlorine negative ions present in solution will donate electrons to H positive ions and remove as HCl. Next, the HCl form present in the solution will provide H positive ions and will attach to partial negative charge oxygen. Next, here is the formation of product, that is para-hydroxyazobenzene. Mechanism. Here are some uses of diazonium compound. Our first use is it is used in the formation of dye and pigment industry. Second, it is used in synthesis of organic compounds. Third, it is used in soap kind of coloring. Fourth, it is used in varnish, grease, paraffin wax, resin, etc. Thanks for watching this seminar. I hope you understand the concept regarding aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction.